What's up, all you Ultimate Gamers? It's your boy Ultimate Gamer 2004 here. Today we're unboxing Logan. Has Deadpool's face on it. A special edition with Deadpool's face on it. I mean Deadpool's hand. It has Deadpool's hand, but you can't see it because my camera sucks. It's brand new. Also, we're unboxing this X-Men Apocalypse. Wait, yeah. Wait, can you see it in the light now? Yeah, now you can see it. Okay, how's that look? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, you see Deadpool's. You see how it has Logan's hand. Deadpool's. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I was trying to show you guys that. There we go. Sorry it took so long. Anyways, here's the movie. Here's the front. Here's the back. It says, "I wish I was in this movie, but I'm not." See? And see in the back of X-Men Apocalypse, it's just the same thing. I wish I was in this movie, but I'm not. So yeah. Let's get into this unboxing. Yes, I'm opening this with my hands. You said, shouldn't you be using scissors? Nope. I can get it open. I can get it open. Trust me, I got this. Ah, jeez. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, movie. Excuse me for 1 second. Alright guys, we got this one open. X-Men Apocalypse. Special edition. Deadpool's face on it. By the way, this is a Blu-ray. These are both Blu-rays. Get this all off. And yeah, here's the movie. So, here's the front, here's the back, here's the spine. How's that? As you can see, you have to take it off, and where there's another cover on it. See, it has Charles on it. Charles Xavier. Spine. Excuse me for 1 second. Again. Okay, guys, we got scissors. Let me just. There we go. There's plastic there. Let's get this Blu-ray plastic off. This is Blu-ray and digital. No, there's no DVD special edition with Deadpool's face on it. It's just Blu-rays. Because people are like, oh, it's all about the Blu-ray. It's all about the Blu-ray. Yeah, all about the Blu-ray. Yeah, that's why. So yeah, here's the front. Here's the back. Here's the spine. And here's the disc. Oh. Here's the disc, X-Men Apocalypse Blu-ray. And if you saw the code, you can have it. I don't care. So, yeah. Alright, now we're unboxing Logan. Okay, sorry about that, guys. They were talking, so I had to pause. I don't want you hearing their conversation. Excuse me. Okay, is that good enough? Yeah, it's good. See this plastic? I bet there's going to be even more plastic underneath this. Come on, come on, come on. Almost there. Got it. That's garbage. All that stuff's garbage. Including you. Alright. Here's the front. Sorry. Here's the front of Logan, special edition. Here's the back. Again, it says I was in this movie, but I'm not. And here's the spine. Yeah. It says, am I holding it upside? No, I'm not. It says Logan. You see the claw? This is the only one with the movie poster. And yeah, that's his daughter's hand, but wearing a Deadpool sleeve. So it's really Deadpool. Deadpool is his daughter. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, let's just get into the opening. Okay, what's beyond the slipcover? Oh, it's Diaz. It's Diaz. This is beyond the slipcover. It's a Logan. Here's the front, here's the back, and here's the spine. Ooh, Logan. Alright, so let's open the movie Logan. Alright, here's the plastic. Ta-da! Clean this plastic off. Yes. Smells brand new. Okay. Oh, here's the Blu-ray. Blu-ray. Solid blue disc. Special edition Blu-ray. Okay. Okay, hold on. It's so dark in here. Here's the Blu-ray Logan. Alright. Alright. Thumbs up. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment below, and why not subscribe? I'll see you next time, and until then, peace out.